Okay, first a warning. Everyone who hates this, just write in the comments. We don't hate you, okay? We're just saying.
Don't write in the comments if you hate us. No, we don't want to hear that.
I'm sorry, Ashana.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm her cousin.
His? Do I look like a his?
Yes.
What?
Yeah, it's gonna be a surprise. If you hate us, please do not write in the comments. Yeah, please. But we just want you to subscribe or comment, okay?
Definitely like.
Yes.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Nini. It's her idea. I feel so sorry for you, everyone.
Hey! What you doing, boy? How do you reload this? Gotta go.
Yeah, I got you.
I hate when he shoots me. Okay, bye.